Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your phone number in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have Signal, you can just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. Go ahead and open it after you download and install it. Log into it and you will see this interface. Go ahead and tap on the profile option on the top left hand corner and go to account. After that, you can see change phone number right under account. Go ahead and tap on the change phone number option and you can change this to change your phone number in the number which you currently are using. So you should make sure that you can receive a SMS or call in the phone number which you are going to change. Go ahead and tap on continue. The next thing you want to do is write down your phone number. Before you do that, select your country, then go ahead and write down your phone number. This is your current phone number and you should write down the new phone number over here in this box. After you do so, what will happen is you can click continue. Then you can go ahead and see that the phone number you entered doesn't match your accounts will be shown if your current phone number is incorrect. So after you write this, go ahead and click continue and an OTP will be sent in the new number which you have just written. Then you can easily change your phone number. So I hope this video about how you can change your phone number in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.